Whispers hum in the hollow night. Strings of stars strung way too tight. Echoes dance where shadows play. I lose myself in their ballet. Honeybees in my head, they spin. A melody deep beneath my skin. It's not the start, it's not the end. It's where the notes and dreams ascend. Moonlight spills on the silver ground, chasing tunes that can't be found. Every step's a fraction